Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we're going to find out what's inside these surprise eggs. Let's start with this one. Check this out. What could we have in here? Let's see. How cute! It's Kermit from the Muppets. Now let's open this one. Check this out! This is Cogsworth, the clock from the movie Beauty and the Beast. I want to find out what's in this one. Check it out! How lovely! It's Pinocchio! This is the last one. I wonder what's inside. This is Edna. She's from The Incredibles. I love how funny she is. Now we can play. I love these Disney wikis. That's all, friends. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. Lots of kisses. See you next time. Bye.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!